me to get stuck.
Okay. Then don't turn off the TV though. Now we done did this challenge 3 times. I'm gonna give you these fruit snacks. Do not eat them until mommy say so, okay?
Mimi.
It's Minnie. She loves Minnie. Do not eat them until mommy say so, okay? Just say okay.
Okay.
You already acting like you don't eat them.
Okay.
Move your hands. Put your hands right here. Put your hands right here. Both of them. Don't eat them. Mommy gonna go to the bath. Mommy gonna go to the bathroom. Do not eat them. You see Minnie? You see Minnie? She's watching you. She say, don't eat until mommy come back.
Yeah. Mimi.
Do not eat. Keep your hands right there. Don't eat. Mommy go to the bathroom. Don't eat.
Daddy. Mimi.
Say okay.
Daddy.
All right, come on now. She's not gonna eat them because we say don't eat. Come up here. You're gonna go to the bathroom. I know my baby listens to me because she always listens to mommy and she's a good girl. I know my baby listens to me. Did you eat it?
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me smell your breath. Ooh, she didn't eat it. So you can eat them all. Let me have one. Good job. I bet she was staring at that camera though. She didn't eat it, Dad.